Hello students, welcome back in mathematics course. Today we will discuss the depends on example of factorization and defactorization formulae. Previous lecture you have discussed the factorization and defactorization formulae. First example, evaluate 2 cos 75 degree into cos 15 degree. That is defactorization formula. जी दिले जे आपण लिहून काढणार 2 cos 75 degree into cos 15 degree. Here 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. What is the answer of this? Here is equal to 2 cos 75 degree into cos 15 degree is equal to cos of A plus B 75 degree plus 15 plus cos of 75 degree minus 15 is equal to cos of 75 आणि 15 80 plus 10 नंबर cos 90 degree plus cos 60 degree is equal to cos 90 is 0 plus cos 60. Cos 60. What is the answer of this? Cos 60. So answer किती येणार? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 3 by 2. What is the answer of this? Cos 90 is 0. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 that is 1 by 2. Therefore 2 cos 75 degree into cos 15 degree is equal to 1 by 2. This is the final answer for this given example. Next example, defactorization formulae, that is factorization and defactorization. This is a factorization formulae. Here is LHS is equal to sin 3a minus sin a whole divided by cos 3a plus cos a. म्हणजे sin a minus sin b, that is sin c minus sin d and cos c plus cos d is equal to काय फॉर्म्युला याचा 2 cos c plus d 3a plus a upon 2 into sin c minus d 3a minus a upon 2 म्हणजे 2 cos 3a plus a upon 2 sin 3a minus a upon 2 whole divided by 2 cos 3a plus a upon 2 into cos 3a minus a upon 2. म्हणजे आपण कोणता फॉर्म्युला वापरला sin c plus sin d cos c plus cos d. कोणता फॉर्म्युला वापरला आपण इथं sin c plus sin d plus cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos of 3a plus a upon 2. म्हणजे what is the answer of this? 3a plus 4a by 2, that is 4a by 2 sin 2a by 2 whole divided by 2 cos 4a by 2 into cos 2a by 2. That is 2 to getting cancelled. Cos 4a by 2 cos 4a by 2 getting cancelled. Sin 2a by 2 that is sin a. Here is sin a upon cos a. Sin a upon cos a, that is tan a. What is the answer of this? Equal to tan a. Equal to काय? RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. काय प्रूव्ह केलं आपण? sin 3a minus sin a whole divided by cos 3a plus cos a is equal to काय? tan a. Hence prove. Next example, prove that sin a plus 2 sin 2a plus sin 3a upon cos a plus 2 cos 2a plus cos 3a is equal to tan 2a. In this example, you are take the decision which term is collected. First, we are consider 4 divided by 2. अशा दोन संख्या निवडायच्या, त्यातले दोन रेशो निवडायचे की त्या दोन्ही भाग केला पाहिजे त्या अँगलच्या. मग आपण काय करू, जे दिले ते लिहून टाकू. पहिले sin a plus 2 sin 2a plus sin 3a whole divided by cos a plus 2 cos 2a plus cos 3a is equal to tan 2a. Therefore, LHS is equal to sin a plus 2 sin 2a plus sin 3a whole divided by cos a plus 2 cos 2a plus cos 3a. आतापर्यंत आपण काय केलं आहे तेच लिहिले आहे फक्त. आता काय करायचं आपल्याला, ज्या अँगलचा डिवाइड बाय 2 होता अशा अँगल कलेक्ट करायचे. एक याच्यातला काय होईल, sin a होईल आणि एक sin 3a होईल. तीन काय होतं, 4 4 मध्ये माग जातो, माग जातो. प्लस 2 sin 2a as it is whole divided by cos a plus cos 3a plus 2 cos 2a is equal to, आता sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d a plus 3a upon 2 into cos a minus 3a upon 2 plus 2 sin 2a as it is plus 2 sin 2a as it is whole divided by cos a plus cos b, that is cos c plus cos b, that is cos c plus d cos a plus 3a divided by 2 into cos a minus 3a divided by 2 plus 2 cos 2a plus 2 cos 2a plus 2 cos 2a. Then calculate this. 2 sin a plus 3, that is 4a, and 4a upon 2, that is 2a. Here is sin 2a into cos a minus 3, that is minus 2a upon 2, that is minus a plus 2 sin 2a whole divided by 2 cos 2a into cos minus a plus 2 cos 2a. Here, what is the answer of this? 2 sin a, 2 sin 2a common घेतला. 2 sin 2a common घेतला आपण. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये राहिलं cos a plus 1 upon 2 cos 2a common घेतला. ब्रॅकेट मध्ये राहिला cos a plus 1 2 sin 2a common घेतला cos a plus 1 2 cos 2a common घेतला cos a plus 1 equal to, here is equal to cos a plus 1 cos a plus 1 cancel, then 2 sin 2a whole divided by 2 cos 2a, 2 getting cancelled, so that is what is the answer of this? Sin 2a upon cos 2a. Sin 2a upon cos 2a. Sin 2a ची व्हॅल्यू आणि cos 2a ची व्हॅल्यू. sin upon cos काय असतं? tan, that is tan 2a equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proof. Hence proof. LHS equal to RHS. Hence proof. Next example बघा. Cos x plus cos 3x upon sin 3x minus sin x is equal to cot x. आपल्याला जे दिले ते आज लिहून काढायचे. cos x plus cos 3x whole divided by sin 3x minus sin x is equal to cot x LHS cos x plus cos 3x whole divided by sin 3x minus sin x is equal to. आता काय करायचं आपल्याला याच्यामध्ये काय दिले cos c plus cos b that is 2 cos a plus b c plus d x upon 3x whole divided by 2 again cos x minus 3x upon 2 whole divided by 2 cos 3x plus x upon 2 into sin 3x minus x upon 2 divided by 2 cos x plus 3x upon 2 2 cos 3x plus upon 2. What is the answer of this? 2 to getting cancel. Cos 2x into cos of minus x whole divided by cos 2x into sin of minus x getting cancel equal to cos of minus x upon sin of minus x sin x only cos minus x upon sin x that is cos x upon sin x equal to what is the answer of this cos upon sin that is cot x therefore equal to RHS LHS equal to RHS therefore cos x upon cos 3x cos x plus cos 3x whole divided by sin 3x minus sin x is equal to cot x by using factorization formula. Hence proof.